Hey everyone, Mitchell here from Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we're looking at BriaCell Therapeutics, ticker BCTX, a clinical stage biotech company developing targeted immunotherapies for advanced breast cancer and other indications. As of January 13th, 2026, shares are trading around $7.64 with a market cap of approximately 15 million. The stock has shown strong recent momentum with a year-to-date gain and significant outperformance over broader indexes. Breaking news today, BriaCell announced sustainable complete resolution of lung metastasis for 11 months in a metastatic breast cancer patient treated with their off-the-shelf BriaOTS immunotherapy in an ongoing phase 1/2A study. This follows their pivotal phase 3 trial being highlighted in Nature Medicine as one of the key trials shaping medicine in 2026, with patient enrollment on track for potential top-line data in the first half of this year. Analysts maintain a strong buy rating with substantial upside targets. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. Thanks for watching. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.